Watching My News Any. The Kuki Students Organization has formally requested Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla to provide immediate travel aid to UPSC aspirants. Here we are bringing you the full details. Manipur's KSO6TA support for UPSC aspirants. Ethnic conflict forces exam center relocation. Candidates face severe financial burdens traveling. Many aspirants delaying or abandoning dreams. KSO urges governor for urgent intervention. Yes, viewers, the Kuki Students Organization today formally requested Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla to provide immediate financial assistance, specifically travel allowance for Kuki Zoo candidates preparing for the 2025 Union Public Service Commission Civil Services Examination. In their appeal to the governor, the KSO underscored the significant hardship and encountered by these aspiring civil servants due to the ongoing ethnic conflict between the Meitei and Kuki Zoo communities in Manipur. Many candidates have been compelled to choose examination centers located outside the state in Aizawl, Guwahati and Nagaland. The KSO emphasized that the unstable security situation within Manipur renders it unsafe for Kuki Zoo candidates to undertake the examination within the state. This necessitates incurring substantial additional costs for travel and accommodation. The student body conveyed in their letter that a considerable number of these aspirants come from financially challenged families. They added financial burden of travel and lodging has regrettably caused some promising individuals to either delay their aspirations or abandon their dreams of joining the prestigious civil service despite their preparedness and strong motivation. The KSO further highlighted the consistent success of candidates from the Kuki Zoo community in the past UPSC examinations, noting their valuable contributions to community advancement and national administration. The organization asserted that their participation in the civil services is not merely a personal accomplishment but also a positive step towards fostering inclusive nation building and ensuring fair representation. Through the earnest appeal, the Kuki Students Organization implores the highest constitutional authority in the state to offer compassionate and timely support. Their aim is to ensure that deserving Kuki Zoo candidates are not deprived to this vital opportunity due to financial limitations. The KSO expressed its hopeful anticipation for a systematic and proactive response from the Governor's office, which they believe will reaffirm the commitment to equality, education and the pursuit of peace within the state of Manipur. Yes, viewers, Manipur-based Kuki Students Organization today appealed to Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla seeking immediate financial assistance in the form of travel allowance for Kuki Zoo candidates appearing for the UPSC Civil Services Examination 2025. The KSO highlighted the acute challenges faced by these aspirants, many of whom have been forced to opt for exam centers in Aizawl, Guwahati and Nagaland due to the prevailing ethnic conflict between the Meitei and Kuki Zoo communities in Manipur. The volatile security situation has made it unsafe for Kuki-Zo candidates to take the exam within the state, thereby incurring additional travel and lodging expenses. The organization emphasized that candidates from the Kuki-Zo community have inconsistently excelled in the UPSC examination over the years, contributing to both community upliftment and national governance. Through this appeal, the Kuki Students Organization urges the state's highest constitutional authority to extend compassionate and timely support to ensure that deserving Kuki-Zo candidates are not denied this crucial opportunity due to financial crisis. The KSO remains hopeful that the governor's office will respond with empathy and action, reaffirming its commitment to quality education and peace in the state of Manipur. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News NA.